Okay, Outback Hunter here. I wish I would've got this on video because it was awesome. I was about 15 yards away, maybe 12, just from steps walking to it. Either a sparrow or a finch. Finches I don't mind. Sparrows, they are annoying. Alright, point of impact. It was in the back of his head there. If you can see that. It was back of the head. Pretty nasty, huh? But then, since the angle I was at, it's very neat. I was aiming for his chest, but I didn't have no more pellets because I killed 2 squirrels today, about an hour ago, and oddly enough, I had 1 BB left in my gun. When I got back, he was still fluttering, and I started taking another shot to finish him off, and I heard click, nothing at all. But that right there, that's pretty nasty. Okay, inner wound, exit. And yeah, I had the pellet here somewhere. Not anymore. But that's pretty messed up, huh? Yeah, blood everywhere on my hands, on his foot. That's messed up. Thanks guys. Well, show you in very many more videos. First, also, I used a Powerline 880 right there, fiber optics sight, no scope. I don't dress fancy. Alright, boots, jacket. That's about it. I use tons of land behind the tree where I shot him, but we have lots and lots of land. And then we have down there also. That little spot right there, the burn pile, alright, that is a burn pile, alright. Finches have nests all in that. I shoot them. Alright, bring more videos. Thanks guys. Please comment and subscribe. This is a new channel, so it'll help me a bunch.